Hello guys, so September 8, what happened in history? Okay, in the picture you can see Queen Elizabeth who passed away. The date was September 8. Okay, so she was the longest ruling monarch, you can tell, or the one who held that position, and some information I'll give you. Before that, make sure you watch all the episodes which we have done in the last 2 days. If you see the last 2 days, these many videos we have done. Okay, so these are all going to be like lifesavers for you in your prelims and mains, like One Nation, One Election, or the Chandrayaan mission. Then there is the Dadabhai Naoroji related one. Then India, that is Bharat. Military rule in certain African countries. Then Mother Teresa's biography we have done. Then again today's like Pakistan is trying to claim the name India in case we drop the name India. And then air pollution related one article is there. So again, malnutrition. These are all GS1, GS2 like direct questions every year it comes. Okay, so make sure you watch all these episodes and give your feedback. And also the plums episode comes where unlimited MCQs are there with solutions. So this is on a daily basis you have to do. Last, if you accumulate and do right, you will think you are doing everything, but it will not retain in your brain. Okay, you have to start learning from the starting and then revise it again and again. Only then it will stay. This last minute people, I see channels and all uploading like complete world history in one video, and then they put like 10-hour video and all. They actually meaning merge the existing lectures which they have and give it. So you overnight will sit and watch it, but in the exam hall you will be overstrained and stressed also, and you will not be able to solve it. Okay, so make sure you make a daily practice of following any channel which you like. If it is Vysh IAS, follow Vysh IAS, else somebody else, but please do it daily. Okay, so today's importance, if you see, World Physical Therapy Day is one thing, and International Literacy Day. Okay, so International Literacy Day since 1966 it is there. UNESCO declared this day, and you want to spread this message of literacy. Okay, in India, do you know literacy? What does it mean? Like you tell like Kerala is 100% literate. That doesn't mean Kerala is having high PhD holders, or they have like doctors, engineers, or they are the most brilliant people. That's not the meaning. Literacy, as per the census of Indian census, is anyone who is above the age of 7 can read and write in one language. It can be any language. It can be like Kerala case Malayalam language. It's not like they all know English, they all know this. That is not the meaning. Okay, but still, compared to other states, Kerala is number one. They are doing good as per the needed criteria. They are number one. 100% literacy there in Kerala, and in some northeastern states I think it is 99 point something percentage is there. So they are all doing good because 7 years and above they can at least read and write one language. Now the next census when it comes, maybe more states will come in that category, or maybe they have to change the criteria to make it more competitive and all, so that your literacy rate improves. Okay, just reading and writing is not literacy. That is good thing, but you need a next step also where you have at least like this level of education or some skilling you have done. Like that literacy rate should start counting. Only then the real education, real skilling, real meaning suitable for job you will become. Okay, so that is about the thing. And 2023 the theme for the day is promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for sustainable and peaceful society. Okay, rarest of rarest case prelims questions comes on these themes also. That is why I'm just mentioning. I know it's very difficult to remember, but at least you have seen this and somewhere in your brain it stays. And in case some other theme they give for 2023, at least you can eliminate. Okay, don't try by hearting all this. Just listen it like a story and keep it in your mind. Then Macedonia declares its independence from Yugoslavia, and that happened again on September 8, 1991. Okay, then I told Queen Elizabeth died, and then the Charles III, he became the king. So she was the longest reigning monarch in British history, died at the age of 96. Actually at the age of 27 she was crowned, and that year was June 2, like 1953. And that was after the death of the father, King George VI. So King George VI, Queen Elizabeth, and now King Charles III. Okay, so that he's also now old only. So maybe the next one in another decade or another years we will see. So like that, that crowning thing happens, you know, the Kohinoor diamond and all they use in their ceremony, which one day we will try to reclaim it also. So these are the things which happened today. Make sure again, as I told, watch the episodes because I see many like people are watching certain episodes but not watching the other one. Make sure you have the complete knowledge and not half-baked knowledge. Okay, UPSC people I have seen only who have consistency, they have cleared exams. Other people have struggled, and don't make that mistake, because 1 year or 2 years it takes for one single attempt. Don't waste many years. Okay, so WhatsApp me in this number for enrollment of test series and all, and many special things, announcements are going to come. And also watch the editorial which we'll be doing. Like this is the September 8 editorial. You should go and watch this. Okay, an excellent language related article is there, so just go and watch this. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.